Hello everyone, I'm a freaking newbie and today I'm going to start a new video. So these are the stickers. I had to customize them, of course. Maybe I just need to add the mouth a bit. Maybe this is perfect enough. And now for the next one, maybe I should put the color something else, like this purple one. Yeah, that's the perfect match. Oh yeah, that's a good one. And so maybe I should put her a hat. That's much better for her. Looks like a badass. Yeah. And now for her, I wanted to put her at her necklace. And so here, this cat looking thingy. Put it on her neck. Like that. And so she would choke to death. And then we got two of them. Now I just wanted to customize one more. This one's the pink one. It's too girly. Anyways, I'm gonna customize her, put her with the yellow eyes instead. There you go, big. There, that looks nice. Anyways, maybe I should put her a hat or something. Yeah, put her this way or this way. It looks better. There, just put that. Maybe I put her mask. That might look better. Let me see. Yeah, there. Now I should put her the mask on so there won't be no COVIDs. There. And now tell me which one is your favorite. Let me know in the comments below. And now I should put them in place like this. Yeah, let's go. Now for the cutting part, which is kind of bit painful for me, but this is gonna be useful. I mean, not so useful. Now let's just cut them off like this. Dang it, it took so long, but anyways, don't mind it. Continue with the business. This side is done. Now for this other side. Damn, my hand hurts already. There. And here, careful. Now for the ear. And now, almost done. There. Now I have to cut this thing, of course, which is, I don't know why, I just want to do it. There. This side is done. Now for this other side. Damn, my hand hurts already. So maybe it's time for this girl turns. Dang it, might be painful, but don't that it's okay. This is for the video. Cut this like that. That's how I cut it. That's how my style cuts. Now, dang it, for the hair part. There, like that. Come on, make it quick. I'm tired already. My back hurts. Then cut like that. This is taking a while. So please wait. Come on, cut it fast. Now for the small path. And there, almost done. For another part over here. Yeah, like that. Cut like that. Now I'm done. Take no, oh my, not done. Yeah, a little bit. Cut like that. Go into that small thingy. Then outside and there. Now take the trash away like that. And now it's your turn, girly. Cut this off like that. It will take long. Please be patient. Then I had started to back my back started to ache again. There, cut the background like that. I hope this won't take long. Oh, I accidentally messed it up a bit. Sorry for that mistake. There, like that. Now for the hat, I cut it. There, now the neck. I'm sorry, just exposed my hair a bit. I'm sorry about that. Continue to cut it. Then I've been moving the thingy. This is painful. There, like that. And a teeny tiny, at last but not least, there. Good. Now that it's done, take the trash away. Now we got the 3 of them. Which one do you like? And now bye bye everyone. I see you in the next video.